Hi everyone, we're here at the video wall. This is something really cool and exciting to show you guys. I'm joined with Mr. Kashyap. Please tell us what is special about this display.
Hi everyone, how are you? Well, I would like to explain about this. This is our ultra narrow bezel display, video wall display which you got. Like this one we are showcasing here 3.5 mm video wall display. As you can see, we are displaying here like a kind of elevator signage. So such kind of various signage you can define, like a video wall you can make it for indoor signage purpose, like 2x2, 3x3, and the bigger walls up to 10x10 you can make it. And then you can have various type of solutions, as we are showcasing here elevator signage. So we can design such kind of solutions by using our video wall panels. So let's have try with that.
Yes, I think it's very interactive.
Ready?
Let's go.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3. You are inside the elevator. We both.
Here we go.
Let's see. We are going up. Up. Oh, it goes up. Goes up. Oh, I think it's got something wrong in that elevator, right? Oh, it's falling down. Oh! 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 You're falling down. Oh! Oh! Wow! You see that the ride? You like the ride? So such kind of solutions we can make it with Panasonic ultra narrow bezel displays.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
So cool.
Ciao.